guys, so if you are a TikTok affiliate and you're looking to maximize your earnings as an affiliate, then you might want to keep watching this video. I'm really going to break down the entire process of how to find a trending product to promote on TikTok's affiliate marketing program. These products literally have my affiliate account looking like this. And if you want to find out how to spot these products, then keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh. And for those of you who are new here, welcome. As you guys know, here on my channel, I create absolutely free content, free courses, free education, free for you guys to learn how to grow your social media platforms. You guys, I have over 2 million followers across social media, and I've been doing this for 10 years, so I got the sauce. So be sure to subscribe so you're soaking up all of this free information. You're plugging yourself in. Get your notebook, pen, pad, pink iPad, and let's go. The first tip for finding trending affiliate products is going to be find a product that will solve a problem. Like, does the product help with dry skin? Does it make you look slimmer? Does it help with acne? So you want to find a problem and a product that fixes it. So I would like to say to find a problem that you actually have yourself and find the product that will fix it. This will make you more passionate about that product because you know that the product works and you will stand behind it and have a passion to promote it. The second tip for finding trending TikTok affiliate programs is choose a product that is attention grabbing. So you want to choose a product that will have people like, wow, what is that? I need it. So products that are attention grabbing tend to go viral a lot because people want to know what it is and what exactly it does. Like, what does it do? So let's pretend you're on TikTok and you're strolling, and wait, this looks different. What is this? It makes you want to watch the video, and that's exactly what you want. So always choose products that grab attention. I'm gonna give you guys a really quick example. So the example that I'm gonna use for products that grab attention is actually the product that I make the most money from in commissions, and it's gonna be a car play device. Like, if you're strolling and boom, you see a car with a movie on the screen. Like, that's not something that you see every day, so you become interested. It grabs your attention. The third tip to finding trending products on TikTok affiliate market is you want to make sure that the product that you find has less than 50,000 sales. So if you find a product that has more than 50,000 sales, then chances are this product is going to have a lot of competition. There's going to be a lot of different creators, influencers, marketers trying to promote the same product. It's going to be harder for you to stand out. So just to increase your odds and make things a bit easier on yourself, make sure you are doing products that are less than 50,000 sales. Please remember this, you guys. It makes things so much easier. So the fourth tip to finding trending affiliate products on TikTok Shop is that you want to make sure, absolutely sure, that this product has a very low price but with a high commission. So my rule is that I never promote products that are less than $5. I like to aim for products that are $10 and up in commission. This way you're gonna make the most money. So there you guys have it. There are my 4 tips to finding trending products on TikTok's affiliate shop. You guys, make sure you're taking all 4 of these steps. It's really gonna help you guys to get more commission. It's really gonna help you guys to start earning more money in commissions because there's less competition. You're looking for the right products. Make sure they're attention grabbing and it solves a problem, you guys. So that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys are a TikTok affiliate and you're looking to learn as much information as possible on this program, then make sure you are checking out my TikTok affiliate marketer playlist here on YouTube. It's absolutely free, you guys. I see so many people charging for this type of information. Like, there are literally video courses on how to navigate this program, but I wanted to give it to you guys for free because I know the capability that this program has. It can make you so much money. You have to pay taxes on it. Yes, you have to pay taxes on it, but it makes you so much money, and I just have to share this with you guys because my whole entire goal is to help you guys achieve the freedom, time freedom, life freedom, and the happiness that I have from being a influencer. Like, it's really real out here. So make sure you guys are subscribed and check out the playlist. Subscribe, you guys. This is going to help me tremendously. It's going to help me to know that you guys like this type of content so I can keep putting it out and helping you guys to grow. So yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, you guys, peace and much love. Bye guys.